I am Antonio Braganza, Headmaster of Government High School, Sadar, Ponda. I wish to express my gratitude to the Education Department and the SERT for implementing the STEPapp program in our school for the students of class 6th to 10th. The STEPapp program helps to bridge up the gap in the teaching learning process in the current pandemic situation, wherein the students cannot attend regular classes and are having a load of doubts. The STEPapp program enables the students to learn science and maths in a more enjoyable way. They can learn at any time and at any place as per their convenience in a playway method, which helps them to clearly understand the concepts and helps in the retention. The learning outcomes can be assessed by the teachers and stakeholders. They can keep a track and also guide in the child's education. The teaching faculty in our school is very happy about it, and we hope our students take good advantage of the same. Thank you.